length. We continue to discuss it, you know. And we wish we didn't have to do this because we do not want to hurt the mother. Ayaw namin saktan kasi si Mayor Jenny, but you know, siya na rin nagsasabi she cannot handle her son. And which is unfortunate kasi you know, Pilipino tayo, you know, and we know that family is always a very it's the strongest bond that we have in this world, no? So if the mother cannot deal with the son, you know, then maybe tayo, we help her deal with her son so that maybe he will be taught to, you know, be more sensible, no? And kwan. So again, sabi sa akin, patay ka sa Gen Z kasi nagta-trending yan ngayon. Yayariin ka sa social media. Di ba, sabi ko sa inyo, kasama sa trabaho yan. Di ba? Handa na ako na, you know, kakawawain tayo sa social media. Noong nakaraan nga, 80-20 nga, 80 against 20. Hindi ko naman pinapansin yun kasi bottom